Lifestyle diseases are on the rise, like high blood pressure, heart disease, diabetes, obesity, and compromised immune systems. But there's a natural solution. Consume lots and lots of fruits and vegetables. And now, with the PowerXL Self Cleaning Juicer, it's never been easier to juice whole fruits and vegetables to unlock their precious vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatories. The 5-star reviews say it all. People love the PowerXL Self Cleaning Juicer. Watch as PowerXL's large chute and powerful motor can juice this entire celery stalk in seconds that's loaded with potassium and vitamin K.
We can take all these superfoods, put it in a concentrated form, and that kind of nutrition going in your body on a regular basis can transform your health at the cellular level.
What's the secret to the world's first self-cleaning juicer? Just add water and press the clean button to lower the cleaning blade, and it instantly removes the pulp from the rotating filter. Go from this to this. No more messy filters to clean. There are 3 levels of extraction. Level 1 is for soft fruit and vegetables. Level 2 for medium, like pineapple. And level 3 for hard, like carrots. And with our non-drip spout, there's never leftover juicing mess on your counter. With 1,200 watts of power spinning at 23,000 RPM, PowerXL extracts 30% more juice than the competition. Get the best juicer without the mess. Order now.